Are you looking for a powerful solution to those tough cutting jobs? Whether it's demolition, construction, or even in the home or garden, well, I've got the right tool for you here. Hi everyone, my name is DK, and today I'd like to present to you the R150RCP-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless reciprocating saw with blades. To change the blade, it's quick and easy. You don't need a tool for this. This reciprocating saw will cut wood or plastics up to 150 millimeters thick, and it will cut up to 20 millimeters thick mild steel. The adjustable shoe is ideal for allowing greater access to different areas of the blade. It also assists in prolonging the life of the blade. Use the shoe as a fulcrum. It can also be used to pin down flexible material like sheet metal whilst cutting. This saw has been designed with an ambidextrous trigger lock button. This works as both a user safety feature and to also provide the same ease of use for left and right-handed users. The thin steel blade provided with the machine is a great option for cutting sheet metals, thinner mild steel profiles or copper pipes. The robust front handle here is also soft grip. There's also rubber bumpers on the left and the right of the saw body. These help to protect the saw against any bumps or scrapes. All of the batteries in the range feature Keep Cool technology, which means that they actively manage temperature during operation. So there we have it, the Evolution R150RCP-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless reciprocating saw with multi-material and thin steel blades supplied. A great option for both demolition and remodeling work. Well, that's us all done for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one.